Hey guys, welcome to the channel as always. We're at the point where we're ready to pull this the head off the cylinder. So we'll take a look down here. All the bolts are off, but they're all in the same spot. Then we're gonna pop this 700 head off and see what we got. So don't look in the cylinder. We're gonna look first. So a little bit of pitting, not too bad. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't want to lose all my bolts by tipping it over, but I'm gonna put it over here for now. Put this back like that. Clean that up later. I'm going to take a look first, and then you guys can take a look. Oh, wow. Not good. Not good, not good. Oh, yeah, that's... Looks like it took the cylinder out, too. Yeah, those grooves are pretty darn bad. If you can feel the grooves... Oh, yeah, that's butchered. Yeah, that cylinder is done. Let's... You guys want to take a look to see what happened? Oops. Try to bring the piston right up. Oh man, it's hard with the rope. Okay, so here we go, piston all the way up, and you can see complete disaster. What happened? I'm speculating here is the ring caught on the exhaust port, if I could speak. So the ring caught on the exhaust port, and then it spitted out the exhaust, the chunks, and so this is just a lot of age going on this cylinder, or this engine. I actually did some math on this, and I think this motor has close to 13 to 14,000 miles. So in reality, my thinking is that after about 10,000 miles, you got to either be checking your compression all the time, diligently, or just change out the top end, put in new pistons, new rings, and you're good to go. Because here you can see that shot. So we'll pull it apart, take a look at that cylinder, and proceed forward. There was one jug I had. At this point, guys, I'm going to take a deep dive here, take a look. We're going to take these two bolts. So there's two bolts here, and there's two bolts on the bottom. But to get at that, I'm going to have to take this piece off, and there's two bolts here, three here, and there's one in the back, which is a pain. Sometimes the nut on the inside will turn, so you have to get something underneath, but to hold it, like vice grips from turning. But here you can clearly see that is just running your engine to the point where that's just wear and tear, and piston should have been changed. So So for now, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you on the next video. Bam. 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 Bam.